Here's a script for video showcase unique wood craft designs, perfect for decorating wood arts with special innovative touches. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. If you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon, this video, share to your friends, family members. Welcome to our woodcraft design series. Today we are dividing into some incredible techniques to transform ordinary wood into extraordinary art piece. First up, let's talk about texturing wood. By using different carving tools, we can create intricate patterns that add depth and dimension. Here we are carving a geometrical patterns into this wooden panel. Notice how to texture catch the light and bring the design to the life. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, like the video, click the subscribe, press the icon, this video, share to your friends, family members. Next, let's explore the art of inlay. This technique involves embedding materials like resin, metal, or constructing wood into the surface to create stunning visual effects. Here we are using a vibrant colored resin to inlay a swirling design into this wooden frame. Let's add a pop of color and an elegant touch. With a pair of we can create everything from intricate floral patterns to add details landscaping, giving each piece a unique handcrafted beat. Lastly, let's talk about finishing techniques. Using different stands or slants can enhance the natural beauty of wood and protect your designs. Here we are applying a rich walnut stain followed by a glossy silhouette of wood sculptures. So these are just few wood ideas for you. Feel free adjust to scrape best of your specific design techniques and want to showcase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for hit the notification bell for more creative woodcraft ideas and tutorials.